Hello everyone. Today we will try to create the today we will try to create this login page of the Facebook using Tailwind CSS. We will try to add the Tailwind CSS and we will also try to learn the Tailwind CSS while creating this form. So let's start with copying all the text we have. So we need our title of Facebook, then we need a text login to Facebook and two input boxes with placeholder, email address or phone number and then password, then a button with text login and again one text one para forgotten account question mark sign up for the Facebook. So I already copied this. Let's paste here. Okay, so we have this heading Facebook and then one p tag with login into Facebook text, then two inputs with placeholder email address and phone number and button, and then we have one para. Hello. So we copied the text and this is how our website is looking right now. So now we will create this div and we will try to add this div also. So let's add background. We will add gray, the shade of gray. And if you are using the extension of the Tailwind IntelliSense, you can get this. We will add the width full and let's see how it looks. Okay. Now let's add blue color to this. We will style it more later. Let's just add text color blue. Okay. Now we have this div. We want to make the background color of this div white. So we want to make the corners rounded. So we will add this. Let's see. Okay, so we have this div now, but we need one parent div to cover this so that we can put this div in center of the parent div. So we will create one div and let's put okay. We will put the class name. Mm, we can add the width full. We can add flex, then item center, and justify content center. Okay. Now we need to add some styling. Mm, okay. So we will start with the padding. So we can add padding here. Mm, let's add some. We can add the some styling like the rounded corners to the input box. Another thing we need to add is some margin and padding to the input box. Let's add the same class names to the uh, second input with placeholder password. Okay, this is coming in one row, one column. So we can make this div flex. Let's try and let's see if this, okay, this isn't working. We can remove this and we can make this flex and this also flex. Yes, this is working. So let's add the flex. So it will make the it display flex. We are like adding the CSS property of display flex. Then let's see. Yeah, this is the email box. This is the login button and all. This is going in here in corner. Mm, so we can remove the padding for now and let's try to align everything properly. So we have to add some margin. Let's add padding 4 and margin also. We can add text center. Let's see if it is moving. It's not moving in center. We can just add justify center. Let's see if that works. Yeah, this is working. Then let's add the width full here to both the inputs. Next thing we can do is to add the background color of the button to blue. We can add this and we will add the text white. Okay, we need text white. Another thing we can is increase the size of the text. First thing, let's add some shadow and make it more different. This background is white, we need gray or something. We can add this slate and we need shadow we can add LG and then we need some more styling because this isn't looking good. We can add little bit of margin also, more margin, and this button is also not styled well. We need to add some padding. This isn't looking good. We can reduce it and we can also add the size full. Yeah, okay, let's make it 1 and we need to add some styling to the button like we can add rounded MD and let's see. Okay, now we have to make this text smaller. We can add class name, text size. We can add extra small. We will add the text color blue. Text blue. We will add the this blue. And let's see. Okay. We can remove this if we add here. Okay, this is going out of the box. Okay, come. Mhm. We can add the width here full, like the highest one. Now it's going there. Mm, we can add the width here. Let's add width here, some width of 96, and if we can see the properties, so it will add 384 pixels and 20 or 24 rem. Okay, so we have to reduce this little bit. We can add 72. We can increase it. We can do the 86 or the 80. Okay. Yeah, this looks fine. Now we have to work on this little bit. First of all, let's change it. We don't have the font family or font styling, but we can increase the margin and we can also make it bold. We can try to add something. So first let's add some padding and then we will make it font extra bold. Okay, we have to increase the size also. So let's text 3 Excel. Mm, next we can add, it's looking more, let's just make it bold only. Mm, we can add some margin also, margin from top. Let's see. No, this isn't working. Fine. So we can also add H full to make it. Can we add auto here? This isn't going well. Okay, we can add few more things in our Facebook text. We need more padding from y-axis, so we can add this py. Let's see. Okay, for this we have padding top and padding bottom. Okay, so of equal, and then we have this extra margin of this box. Okay. Let's try to remove this top margin so we can add just empty 0. Let's see. Yeah, so we remove that extra margin from upside. We can add some extra margin in here top. Let's try to add empty 4. So it will add some extra margin in top, but okay, we can add some extra margin in. We should not add. Okay, let's just go with this only. Next thing is what we can do. Okay, we need to make this text look more better. Let's style the button. Mm, okay, so we will reduce the size of the log in text and we will make it more bold. So we have login button. Okay, we will make it Excel only or some other option available like large, and then make the font bold. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking almost similar to the original one. And I guess this input box looks fine. We can add little bit of padding to this login to Facebook text. Mm, so we need more margin from bottom. We will add. Let's check how it looks. Mm, this looks fine. Let's remove this. Okay, I guess it's looking fine. Okay, let's make it look much better. Mm, mm. This is our input field, and we have some input field. We have some extra margin. So can we remove this and let's see how it looks? Yeah, we had this extra space here. So let's remove the margin for now. Okay. And if we see, we can add the margin uh, in the y-axis. Let's add and let's see. This looks fine. Y2. Yeah. Now we have this input boxes are aligned in center. Mm, anything else we can add? Only this height is not, I'm not able to add or make it full. We have this extra, we have always this extra padding, right? This green one, okay. So we have to remove this padding if we can. P0. Let's see if that works. Hmm, this is not working. We have one extra padding, and if we can increase the height, let's try to add it. Mm, we want to cover all. Okay, so do we have any cover option? Cover, VG cover. Let's see. This isn't working. We want to make this. We don't need this padding in here. Like this is there is no padding, but we are getting this extra padding for no reason. Even if I do P0 or M0, we are getting this. Okay. If we remove everything, okay, even the width and all, still we are getting this. And I don't know why. Let's check the console. Yeah. So this is the padding, and let's check the styling. Why we have this padding of extra 2 rem? Okay, we have this extra in root. Let's check The index.css, we removed it. Okay, so because of this, okay, now have to add some more styling because of we already had some styling in our app.css. We have Facebook. We can just we can try to text center. Hmm. I guess this is fine. Okay, this is now here. We have to make it in center. Text center. Yeah, this is in center now. Okay, that was of because of some extra styling. I was facing some issue. Now, if we add some little bit of things like some extra margin, margin of 11, how it will go? Okay, okay. We don't have to add that much of margin. We can just add padding 6. Okay, this is looking similar. We can increase the mm height if we want to, but I guess this is looking we on the only part this Facebook font style is not similar, I guess. We can increase it a little bit or try to look into it. Mm, it's we can make it extra bold. No, let's increase the size by 4. Mm, yeah, this looks similar now. Mm, this box size is little bit larger, right? So let's see the div, this div, and let's this extra styling. We can remove this and let's see how it works. Hmm. We can remove. We can add that because we don't want to add that extra margin we had. Something is missing. This color is more bright and shadow. We can work on the shadow. Let's make it white only. We had added the slate color. White. We can also increase the height if we like height 60. I guess this isn't working, but still let's try. Mm, this isn't working. Mm, we don't have to add this. We can increase the padding little bit. Mm, this is not looking similar. Why? Let's check the shadow if we can add more shadow to Excel. Also, the border is there, I guess, the small border. We can add, let's try border color. Let's add some black. We don't have to black color. We can add slate color or something like this. Hmm. No, it's not going in that direction. We can add 101. Let's try. The shadow looks good, but not similar to this one. Also, here, I guess padding is too much. Mm, we can remove the padding little bit more, less, make it less. And also, we can add the border of like very small, very thin border in our input boxes. So we can just make it one for now, padding, and we can add some border. Mm, let's try to add color of gray 100. Yeah, we can see it. Okay, let's add 200 to make it look. Yeah, this is visible now. But padding is there. I guess the text size is smaller, but padding is there. So let's padding, and we can decrease the size of the text by adding small. Let's add small. Okay. I guess this is working. Yeah, this is working. The password was bigger and this is working. Mm. And also the border is also visible. We can make the border more visible by adding the, let's make it extra small and let's make it 300, and we can add this much, sorry, this in our another input box, and this is how it looks. So okay, something happened. I guess we missed this. Okay, cool. So let's compare this. Now we have this small border, thin border, and password, text, and the size. I guess size of the placeholder text is not similar, but we can increase it if we want to. Okay, we can increase. Let's increase it. It is extra small, so let make it small. Now, okay. Yeah, this one is looking okay. We added an email address and this one is looking similar. So let's again change this. Okay, now this is looking quite similar. Only this shadow part isn't looking same. I don't know why. We can add something. The color of the shadow, I guess I should change it. And also the height is not same. I don't know why. Mm, I can remove the extra padding. We have this extra. Where's that text? Not the Facebook one. Facebook. We have this extra. We can make it M0. Let's see. Mm, let's add shadow first. Shadow in our box. Yeah, we need more rough, tough color, and we can make it less. Shadow LG, and let's add so that it looks sharp. Hmm. Now it can in shadow shadow Excel. We can make it 3. Okay, we can increase the color shade by 500 because we can increase more. Let's add 7. 7? No, I guess we can increase more. 9? Do we have 9? Let's add 8. Yeah. Little bit of padding here is present. Do we have to add some padding? Let's add some padding, or padding of 1, I guess, is sufficient. Yeah. Okay. Mm, Another thing we can do is we have added this margin and padding, so we can just add the similar to button also so that it look fine. Hmm. We have to remove the extra Y one. Now let's see. We have to add MY0. Hmm. It was looking fine like this. Yeah. So what we can do, we can just increase the padding and okay, we should add it like PX, not PY, to make it look better. Okay. Hmm. This is not looking good. We can remove the margin for now. And if we add X, now let's see. Hmm. What is missing here? We need little bit of padding more. So like in Y1. So we can add P1 here. Hmm. I guess because of text size or text font, this isn't working. But yeah, this is now fine, I guess. Almost similar. Okay, few things are still missing, like the shadow part and the height is not looking one good. And this color is more sharp, more blue. Let's see if we have more options. Let's add 900. Oh, the color looks so dull. I guess we should add some 700 is fine, I guess. Okay, we can increase the font size because of a font we want to make it bold. Yeah, this will work. So first of all, let's decrease this to the and make it semi bold. Now this is going in right direction, I guess. We can decrease the size of the text. It's already a very less, and we need padding of 2. We can add padding of 4 from, yeah, now this looks fine. The text similar to the Mm, I believe this is almost similar to it. We will work on it, and if something extra, if I'll get to know something extra, I can add here. Mm, okay, so thanks for watching. We will try to learn more Tailwind CSS so that we can make more components and which we can make look very similar to the original one if we try to copy, or if we can make it more user friendly and attractive. So we will try more components. So thank you for watching.